Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Baseus quick charger. I have Baseus Gan 3 Pro, and I can show you that this charger is great alternative for your Huawei device. Okay, so let's check it. As you can see here, I have Baseus Gan 3 Pro, and now I will connect it to the electricity. Okay, it's connected, and now let's connect this charger to our tool for checking certificates. Wait a while. And as you can see here, we have Huawei FCP 5 volts, 9 volts, and 12 volts, so it's very great. And Huawei SCP for 3 and 5 and 5 and 5 volts for 25 watts. As you can see, these devices supporting quick charging for Huawei devices, and this device is certificated for Huawei devices, but not for a newest version of Huawei quick charger. For new versions of Huawei quick charging, you need to use newest generation of Baseus Gan Pro. As you can see, I have only third generation, but maybe you will need to have newest one. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.